What was your favorite part of today?
Making the cookies.
And why was that your favorite?
Because they tasted good.
Your favorite part of today?
Seeing the lambs.
Why was that your favorite?
Because I thought it was a little funny when they came over. They were basically running over and they were making a lot of sounds, which I thought were funny, and I thought they were cute.
Nice. What was your favorite part of today?
The favorite part was the plant, because we made a plant out of the beans and they put some oil on there because of the stuff. This was my favorite part of the day, and I never seen this plant because I didn't had to have a plant because we were here for 2 years ago, and that's why this was my favorite part of today.
What was your favorite part of today?
When we went over there to see the sheep.
Why was that your favorite?
Just because there's not a lot of animals at this farm, and out of all the animals we've seen, I really like the lambs and the sheep, because we also saw one of the farmers feeding the sheep.
Awesome.
Action.
My favorite part of the day was everything, and I really love being here, and this is like the best day of my life. So we get to take home eggs and plants and pictures, so much pretty stuff, and I love this place, and I hope I come back soon.
Awesome. What about the food?
Oh, the food was delicious. We had zucchini cookies, and we had quesadillas with cooked vegetables, and even if you send it to my mom, I ate garlic, and which I really love. And was that all the food?
That was it.
Okay.
Grape juice.
Oh, and I had strawberry and blueberry juice, and it was perfecto.